Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying account and network because most store problems are authentication or connection related. Sign out of the Apple ID, then sign back in to refresh credentials. This forces a token reissue. Once done, confirm Wi-Fi or cellular is stable by loading a web page. Flaky networks break downloads. Also make sure device date and time are automatic so Apple servers accept requests. These steps remove common handshakes that prevent the store from showing purchases or processing transactions. Next, you clear local state and apply updates to eliminate corrupted caches or incompatible client versions. Update iOS or Mac OS to the latest stable release so certificates and APIs match Apple servers. Force quit the iTunes or Store app, and on Mac OS, delete temporary cache files if comfortable. This removes stale responses. Restart both your device and router to reset network paths. If problems persist, test with a different network to rule out ISP or NAT issues interfering with store connectivity. Finally, you refresh the account state and validate billing to clear purchase or authorization blocks. Sign out of your Apple ID on all devices and change the password, then sign back in to force a full account sync. Verify the payment method, remove and re-add the card or use an alternate payment to rule out billing holds. If the store still fails, collect diagnostics, screenshots, error codes, network logs, and contact Apple support for server-side checks. Troubleshooting tip: if you see a specific error code, search Apple error lists before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.